Alright guys, so today I'm making Peruvian chicken. It's a recipe that my husband wrote down. It says combine. You get 1 whole chicken, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of white wine, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 quart of water. So what he did was he combined the vinegar, wine, oil with garlic powder, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and salt. Mix well to form a paste. Add lemon juice to cold water. Trim chicken of excess or loose fat. Wash chicken thoroughly with lemon and H2O. Place chicken in zip to bag. Pour spice paste over chicken. Place chicken in zip to bag. Pour spice paste or chicken over chicken. Coat chicken with mixture, rubbing into every surface. Try to get the paste under the skin as much as possible. Seal bag and place chicken in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Seal the bag and place chicken in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Do not marinate no longer than 24 hours. Place chicken on rotisserie or grill for approximately 1.5 at a temperature of 300 degrees. So this is that Peruvian chicken recipe. I have my Ziploc bags. I didn't even read the fact that it needs to be in a Ziploc bag. But I have the, let's see. I have the Ziploc bag somewhere. Where are my big Ziploc bags? Great. I'm not gonna be able to put it in a Ziploc bag. I can't find them. Great. Look at me. Look at me. Anyway. Oh, I bought 2 of the same size bags. I thought I was playing the quarts. The big ones. Anyway, I'm gonna do it differently. I'm actually just going to pour it onto, let me taste this real quick. Oh, that's good. All right, taste your food. I'm just gonna kind of pour it onto the chicken. He added a few extra spices of his choice, like bay leaf. We have another seasoning that's like a vinaigrette. And your cooking is really about understanding the process of cooking and how to make food taste good, but understanding how to cook a particular piece of protein or whatever meat you're using, and then seasoning it to taste and knowing what temp to cook it for. So it's really a matter of preference, even though the instructions call for it to be marinated in the bag. It's not rocket science, and it's not set in stone. So you're free to improvise, which is what I do all the time. And lucky me, my best friend is actually a chef, so I don't guesswork at it. If I ever need help, I just give her a call and she guides me through. And if you don't have a best friend who's a chef, Google is your best friend, because just ask Google the question. I actually use the microphone option, and I just literally just ask the question of, how do I do this and how do I do that and what's the temperature for the cook for this and that. It literally will answer every and all of your questions. So I'll give this a good last marinade and put it in the refrigerator. Let's get these legs. Put it in the refrigerator to marinate for 2 hours. All right. All right, so this is where I peeled my potatoes. I boiled them for about 30 to 45 minutes and roasted my garlic for 30 to 45 minutes. I added oil, put it in foil, and then placed it in the oven. And it was sitting right next to the chicken, which was in the oven at 300 degrees for the hour and a half. So the chicken and the garlic roasted at the same time. And this is me checking in on it. All right, guys, so this is the results of the Peruvian chicken. It was marinated for 2 hours today. And it was in the oven at 300 degrees for 1.5 hours, as instructed. Looks tender and juicy. And the skin browned so nicely. We're serving it with garlic mashed potatoes made with real potatoes and fresh corn on the cob. So this is dinner. I always call it date night every night. It's just dinner, but it's enchanting to call it date night. All right, guys. So this is the potatoes. When I was making them, I added butter, roasted garlic, and then I added some sour cream butter and mixed it all together with salt and pepper. All right, guys, so this is the finished plate, and I would love to ask you to subscribe to my channel, Dloveslife. I will be working on getting better at creating these wonderful videos of my date night every night series. That's just when I cook dinner for the two of us. And don't forget to like and comment. Let me know if you think this looks delicious, because I would love to get your feedback. I'm working really hard on enhancing my video quality. Thank you for watching.